Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm here on my porch in Pasadena, California. And because it's summer and it has been a very dry year here in Southern California, today we're going to talk about the water cycle and what are some things we can do to help restore and recharge our groundwater. I'm sitting here around a bunch of very drought-tolerant plants in pots that really only need to be watered once every 2 weeks, even in the heat of the summer. And we'll do some follow-up videos after this about how we keep our plants alive in the heat of summer. But first, let's understand the water cycle, how we broke it, and what we can do to fix it. So if you remember from your biology class, the water cycle is how rain evaporates from oceans and rivers into the sky, forming condensation, and then comes down as precipitation. So let's talk about where it gets broken and why. So evaporation, water comes into the sky through oceans and rivers and lakes, turns into condensation as it cools down, and then comes down onto the land as precipitation or rain. So where the cycle gets broken is on the land, because humans have eliminated a lot of the natural landscape, paving the estuaries of rivers, like the Army Corps of Engineers paving the LA River, causing the water to go out into the ocean instead of permeating down into the ground. So permeation is when rainwater runoff from the mountains goes down into the ground, recharging the deep groundwater. And then trees can access that groundwater during periods of drought. This is how our trees and plants are so resilient in Southern California. Swales and berms are a great way to capture water and store it in the ground. A swale is a dry creek bed with mulch and sticks, plants on the side, captures rainwater or irrigation, allowing it to permeate slowly. Berms, you put the plants on top. It's a mound type of culture where you have logs, mulch, and sticks underneath, and soil on top, and when it rains or irrigation goes off, it captures the water, allowing it to permeate slowly, and then the logs capture it and hold the water like a sponge, allowing the plants to use it later. We encourage you to plant native species, especially wildflowers, to support pollinators. For more information on native practices, please visit our Instagram at Eco Urban Gardens.